Welcome to ModelSheet. ModelSheet brings you a new generation of spreadsheets. Creating your own financial plan for a business has never been easier. Let's explore the financial plan. The plan is built around four familiar financial statements: an income statement, a balance sheet, a cash flow statement, and a financial ratio report. The financial plan has 15 key reports: the four financial statements mentioned previously, segment reports with detail in 9 areas of the plan, graphs that display trends, and input data and system worksheets that we will show you later. The first financial statement is the income statement. It has submodels for sales, cost of goods, employee count and expense, other operating expenses, and financial expenses. For example, the sales model includes products and product families, sales channels or locations, and optional features like high, medium, and low scenarios, a sales lead funnel, and other features. The advanced version of each submodel contains further in-depth features in all areas. You can make your financial plan expressive and simple by turning on only the features you need. The balance sheet tracks assets, liabilities, and owner's equity. The advanced version tracks items such as small untagged assets, capitalized development spending, leases and bonds, and present value of the business and internal rate of return. You can get your own customized financial plan in 3 easy steps. First, browse our financial plan models and pick one. Secondly, customize it to make your own model sheet. Lastly, download an Excel financial plan for your business. It's that easy. Now let's customize a financial plan for your business. This is the model browser set to show finance models. Here is the general financial plan. Let's customize it. You can choose one of several versions with different features and sizes. You can learn about the versions by clicking on the left. Let's customize the advanced version. First, we specify the time series. Choose a time grain of months. Set the start date to be January 1, 2011. Specify the number of time periods to be 4 years or 48 months. Let's include annual subtotals in the reports. You have powerful controls over the treatment of time. Let's show the first year in months with quarterly sums. And let's show the remaining time in quarters with annual sums. Just imagine how much work it would be to build this timeline into your plan using Excel. Now let's specify the products and product families. We can paste in the values. You can put products and product families by indenting them. You can see that we have 2 product families, each with 2 products. Further down this page, we can set the number and names of sales locations. One of the most powerful features of our customizable models is that you can include or exclude many major features with the click of a button. This page lists the optional features in the sales model. Let's include product support and install base tracking. Let's not include sales scenarios and the sales lead funnel. This model has more optional features for cost of goods, operating expenses, and various balance sheet items. You can preview the layout of any worksheet at any time by clicking the Preview button. If you are satisfied with your customization, click Finish. You can click Finish at any time and you will get the default customizations for items that you did not edit. To download your template, you must sign in and complete your purchase. We are already logged in, so we can skip this step. Check this box to download your Excel template. Clicking the Save button saves your customizations and starts the template generation process. When it is done, you can download your customized template along with a user manual. Getting a customized financial plan template is that easy. Here is the template we customized. We made a few more customizations that make it smaller, and we entered some input data. All sheets have easily recognizable names. The first sheet on the left contains graphs of key variables. The second sheet contains input data that you provide. Excel groups hide details until you need them. Let's open the sales input data and examine the price data. All input cells are shaded blue. You don't need to enter data into all the blue cells. The template has Excel formulas in many cells that provide default values. For example, prices are assumed to be the same as the previous time period unless you override them. To help you understand the model, each table in the workbook has an Excel comment explaining it. The next four sheets contain the four main financial statements. Here's the income statement. The start date is January 1, 2011. The time range is 4 years, and the time grain changes from months to quarters with intermediate sums as we specified. These and all our other specifications appear throughout the workbook. Below is more detail on some accounts that appear in the income statement. Here is the balance sheet. The balance sheet displays starting values at the beginning of model time. The balance sheet differs from the other main financial statements in that it is composed of stock variables, so that starting values are useful. Below is more detail on some of the accounts that appear on the balance sheet. Here's the cash flow statement. Like any cash flow statement, it lists starting and ending cash and sources and uses of cash. The ratio report contains selected financial ratios and operating ratios that vary over time. These four financial statements are the heart of the financial plan. The next 9 sheets contain detail about 9 parts of the model. The topics are ordered as if you were reading down an income statement, then down a balance sheet. Sales, cost of goods, expenses, then assets, liabilities, and equity. And lastly, valuation of the business. It is pretty easy to find your way around the plan if you remember this organizing principle. This sheet summarizes a sales submodel. It shows revenue and sales units for each product and for support contracts. Then it shows revenue and sales units for each selling location. Below that, it shows revenue and sales units for products and locations together. Then it shows prices, including list prices and average selling prices. And there's an install base report because we selected that option. The rest of the detail sheets are organized in similar outline form to help you find what you want. If you want to understand the model better, you can start by reading the Excel comments and the user instructions that come with your template. You can also view the formulas worksheet. Here is a complete list of all formulas used in the model. Each formula tells you in English what it does. For example, bad debt expense is defined as bad debt percent times accounts receivable. You don't have to decipher inscrutable cell formulas anymore. This is the labels worksheet. You can change the model start date here at the top, change the name of any variable, product, department, etc. across the entire spreadsheet by making the change at a single location on this sheet. This editing capability greatly increases the useful life of your template. Imagine the effort required to make an Excel workbook with all these features by conventional methods. Whether your plan is large or small, this template provides a feature-rich financial plan that you can customize to your needs. It automates away the drudgery associated with working in conventional spreadsheets, yet it is a fully conventional Excel workbook which everyone knows how to use. In summary, the financial plan model is as expressive and as large as you need it to be and no more. You'll be surprised at how quickly and easily you can customize the financial plan model. We have designed this workbook with you, the user, in mind. You can change start date and names in one place, and the changes propagate throughout the workbook. We invite you to download some free templates. Some of our models may even change the way you understand your business. Thank you.